Today's pretty neat. I'm going to a convention for a client. She's starting a little girls' children's wear line.
I was inspired to start it after the birth of my daughter because I was looking for a type of clothing for her that I couldn't find, and that was something that was both feminine and beautiful.
The inspiration behind the line is to encourage young girls that they are born to be a scientist, born to be a president, born to be a boss, born to be an entrepreneur.
Eventually I sort of hit on the idea of a born to theme, so every design would be centered around what little girls are born to do. I have a born to explore, born to innovate, I'm working on born to play. So diving into the fashion industry as a lawyer has been a struggle, and I didn't really have the background that I need now. Jessica and Travis, and we've been